guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you wanna see that how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I'm taking my primer. This is my primer I'm using. I'm gonna put that on first. So yeah, and I'm just gonna tap, as you can see. Right, I'm gonna take my remove powder, like it's a transparent powder, and it's matte, so I love it. So I'm gonna use that on my face like that. As you can see, I'm like breaking out, like, but it's okay, it's okay. So now what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna do my eyes, and then I'm gonna move over to my face. So first of all, today I'm gonna use this NYX palette. I got it on my birthday, so yeah, but we're gonna use that first today. So first I'm going in with this really light color, as you can see over there. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my lid just to set everything, cause as you can see, it's weird. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna put that on my eyes. I'm gonna just pat that on my lid. Ooh, that looks weird, but let's just work with that. Okay, so after that, what I'm gonna do is, I'm taking the same color I used before, and then I'm gonna put that on my whole lid, like that, like just to set everything in place. Now I'm gonna use that orange color, as you can see on the top, and I'm gonna put it on the crease, like over the crease, not on the crease but over the crease. So let's do that. Oops. And as you can see, I'm holding my brush like that. I'm not holding like that. If you wanna work the product into your crease, then hold your brush like this, so it's gonna be into your crease. But if you wanna do over your crease, then use brush like this, so it's gonna work over your crease. I hope that helps you. So I'm doing my eyes first, cause the thing is that you can be messy. You don't have to worry about your makeup. So yeah. So now I'm gonna take the little bit darker than orange shade, like that one, and I'm gonna work it into my crease. So this time I'm gonna go like straight into my crease. Just bring it out a little bit so it looks nice now. Yeah. Don't freak out with my makeup right now, cause we're gonna fix everything later. So yeah. So now I'm gonna put this shade with my fingers on the lid, and I'm using that shade like first time, which is crazy. Okay, now I'm taking this brush and I'm gonna use that shade, as you can see, on my outer corner, just to give the really awesome shape to my eyes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the same shade and I'm gonna put it into my crease. Okay, so first I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with this. I'm gonna put the eyeliner. Okay, this is the same eyeliner I used before in my last video, makeup video, and the first makeup video. So now we're gonna move on to my face, using my corrector underneath my eyes. Can you see that panda face? I'm gonna blend it with this flat brush.
I look like a panda, yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and this is my favorite foundation, as you know, or I don't know if you know or not, but yeah, this is my favorite foundation. I'm gonna put that everywhere.
Using my beauty sponge. Da-da-da-da-da.
And if you have seen my last video, you would have known that I don't put my foundation underneath my eyes. I mean, not that much. You have to try your foundation on your neck so you don't look like different person at one time, because you know. Now I'm using my favorite concealer. As you know, I used this in last video too, but I love it. Okay, brand, as you can tell that I'm using everything. So I'm just gonna put that like that. You don't want to mess up your thing. Be careful about that. Okay, now I'm gonna use my favorite brush. As you can see, I'm just tapping. I'm not doing anything. Okay, now we're gonna set everything on a place. So for that, I'm using my favorite powder. I used it before, as you saw me using it in the beginning. So yeah. Now I'm using my powder brush, and I'm gonna use the same powder on my face. So this is how you look after you do your powder and foundation, like a ghost. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the light shade, like this shade, underneath my like line or whatever you call it, you know. I'm just giving the shape to my eyes. Okay, so I'm going in with my liner and putting on my waterline. I'm using the same shade I used on my lid, and I'm gonna put it on my waterline, and I'm gonna smudge everything, and I'm gonna connect to my eyeshadow. You'll see what I mean.
And so we can get that smoky look, honey.
Okay, so this is how it's gonna look after you smudge and things like that. Okay, so now we're gonna use liner. I'm gonna bring up my pretty eyes, even though it's already bringed out, but you know.
You want the extra liner.
But wait, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put my liner on, and yeah. So now I'm gonna bronze my face.
Honey.
And I'm using Wet n Wild bronzer.
Can you see that bronzer? It's awesome.
So I'm gonna contour my nose. So after I contour my nose, I'm gonna use the blusher, and I'm using Too Faced Sweetheart blusher in Perfect Flush Blush.
It's like really cute. Look at that.
I'm gonna put it on my nose, a little bit on my chin.
Because, as you know, it looks cute.
Okay, so now we're gonna do our eyebrows. Let's do it. We're gonna put some highlighter. Mary Luminizer. little bit on my cupid bone, on my chin.
Honey, you want that glow?
Awesome. Like, legit. Like, can you see that?
Yes, honey.
I'm gonna use this one. Like the same brush I use it. I just clean it on my hand, as you can see. I'm gonna use the same highlighter to just highlight my inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to my lips. I'm using Rimmel Color Statement Lip Liner in 03 Nude. So I'm gonna fill my lip with the lip liner and then I'm gonna apply my lipstick cause that just make your lipstick wear really long. And now I'm gonna use this Tarte lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit, and I love this lip color and it matches my skin tone too, so which is awesome. Okay, so I just spray my face with my setting spray, and guess what I forgot to put? I forgot to put my mascara, so I'm gonna put that and we are done! So yeah, that's it! That's my final look. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's my final look. As you can see, did you like it? I don't know. If you like it, then give it a thumbs up. And yeah, and leave some comment below that. How's this look? And yeah. So please give it a thumbs up, share my video, like my video, subscribe to my channel cause I post my video every single week. So yes, and comment below so we can know each other. Like,
really, honey?
We gotta know each other, so you have to comment so we can talk. So yeah, that's it. Bye!